Another round! Another round! Another round! Another round!
क्या हुआ?
Another round! निकिता! निकिता मेरी! ओम नमः शिवाय! ओम नमः शिवाय! ओम नमः शिवाय! जो 3 जन मर गए तेरी वजह से।
पकड़ी रखो।
This is Rakshit Chaurasia, the prime accused in the fatal Vadodara car crash. By now, you must have seen his picture everywhere on TV, newspapers, and social media.
Another shocking incident.
Drunk drivers
Woman dead due to reckless driving.
rampage.
4 others injured.
Well, the 23-year-old rammed his friend's car into 5 people in Gujarat's Vadodara on 13th of March, killing a woman and leaving several others seriously injured. A shocking video showing the aftermath of the crash has surfaced online. And what caught people's attention was Rakshit's behavior. Many claim that he was drunk in the dry state of Gujarat, while many others linked his case to the Pune Porsche case. Right after the accident, Rakshit exited the vehicle and he was heard shouting things like "one more round" and another person's name. But what really happened? What do CCTVs reveal and why was he behaving like this? And while everyone's talking about Rakshit, let's first talk about the family who lost their loved one. 13th of March, it was the evening before Holi. 35-year-old Himali Patel and her husband were out with their daughter after Holika Dahan to buy colours and grab something to eat. They were on a scooter riding through Vadodara street, not knowing that it was their last ride together. At the Kareli Bagh area, a speeding car rammed into the scooter and 2 other vehicles were also hit. Now Himali, Purav and their daughter were thrown into the air before they crashed to the ground. Himali died on the spot and Purav is under treatment for critical injuries. Their little daughter too has suffered injuries in the crash that left 5 others hurt. Behind the speeding car's wheel was Rakshit Chaurasia, a law student at MS University. His friend Pranshu Chauhan was also in the passenger seat. Yes, the same friend who was later seen coming out of the car.
Another round! Another round!
Now the video of the accident has gone viral on social media. In the video, Rakshit can be seen stepping out of the car after the accident and screaming incoherent words including "another round," Nikita and "Om Namah Shivaya." And like we mentioned earlier, this weird behavior caught people's attention on social media. Eyewitnesses claim that Rakshit was intoxicated. When the car stopped after the deadly crash, Rakshit was beaten up before police took him into custody. Now he has been charged with culpable homicide not amounting to murder. It is learned that Rakshit is from Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh and is the son of a businessman. Police are now looking for the co-passenger Pranshu Chauhan. Rakshit has claimed that he was neither drunk nor speeding and blamed airbags for the crash. Speaking to a media outlet, Chaurasia expressed regret for the accident and termed it as an understatement. The accused said that he wants to meet the family of the deceased and say sorry, which is a very small word.
चौराहे पे चौकड़ी पे आप देखेंगे कि गड्ढा हुआ है और हम लोग जब राइट लेने का स्पेस था उस टाइम एक स्कूटी थी और एक कार था. उसके बाद जैसे ही हम लोग अंदर घुसे तो कार छू गई और एयरबैग खुल गया. जैसे ही एयरबैग खुला कुछ आगे का दिखा नहीं और गाड़ी अपने आप ही डीरेल हो गई कि एक लोग की डेथ हो गई है और कुछ लोग इंजर्ड हैं. और ऐसा दुख मनाने का ऐसा कुछ नहीं सर. मैं सबसे पहले उनकी फैमिली से मिलना चाहूँगा क्योंकि मेरी गलती है. अगर वो चाहेंगे कि जो वो चाहेंगे वही होना चाहिए.
Now explaining how he allegedly lost control while driving, he said that the car was automatic and when airbags opened, he panicked and pressed the accelerator instead of brakes. Now when asked about the girl's name he was screaming after getting out of the car, he said that he randomly shouted a name in the state of panic and also denied being drunk at the time of the incident. In the days following the crash, several videos and photos have surfaced showing Rakshit at the accident site, holding his ears and apologizing as he recreated the scene of the crash. His gesture sparked mixed reactions online, while some questioned whether it was a genuine expression of remorse or merely a publicity stunt to gain sympathy. Now this case highlights the dangers of reckless driving, whether due to intoxication, speeding or other causes. It also raises serious questions about road safety in India, where in 2024 alone, around 180,000 people lost their lives in road accidents. Survivor Vikas Kevlani, who was also injured in the crash, has called for stricter actions against reckless drivers. Kevlani stated that fines are not enough to prevent such incidents. The public's demand for tougher penalties and better enforcement of road safety laws is also growing louder in light of this tragic incident.